Hello everyone. Today I want to show you that how you can use CI firmware, Longloria CI firmware to actually reset a ZigBee tree light and then make that ZigBee tree light to join your own network. So we have a ZigBee tree light here, as you can see on my camera. That ZigBee tree light is on a network. We don't know anything about the channel or span. And also we have a CI firmware. Our CI firmware is built for one of the Silicon Labs modules, which is a GM210PA32 module, and that module is on the WSDK, which is the development board of Silicon Labs. Now I want to use my CI firmware on Silicon Labs module to reset that ZigBee tree light, which we have here, and make that ZigBee tree light to join my CI firmware. We go step by step and explain everything. First of all, I need to find what is the PAN ID of my device and what is the channel of my device. So my ZigBee tree light is working on a channel. I don't know about it. I need to first find that one. To do this, I need to issue AT plus pan scan when my light is off. Let's issue pan scan. So here is my pan scan, and we have some response to my pan scan. So in my environment, we have a pan on channel 20 and the pan on channel 25, which is a 6926 pan ID. So we have two pans in channel 20 and channel 25. Now if I turn on my lights on, my light bulb on, I turn it on and issue pan scan again. Okay, now we have three response to that pan scan request. We have a pan on channel 15, a pan on channel 20, and a pan on channel 25. So now we can see that we have a new pan, which is the ZigBee tree light. So we are sure now that our ZigBee tree light is on channel 15. Okay, we know that our ZigBee tree light on channel 15. Now we need to form a network on channel 15. Why we should create and establish a network on channel 15? Because actually ZLL scan requests and ZLL reset commands can just be sent on the same channel. So you should be on the same channel with your ZigBee tree light. Now my CI firmware and ZigBee tree light, they are both on channel 15. Let's do a scan request together. I put my CI firmware in a very close distance to my ZigBee tree light. Why? Because ZLL commands need to be sent in a short distance, like between 5 centimeters to 10 centimeters. If I put it like this, in a very close distance to my ZigBee tree light, and I want to send a scan request, okay, it's done for now. This is the scan request you can see here, which is an Interpan command we built with our CI firmware. And this is a scan response received on my CI firmware. On response, I can see the pan ID. You see the same pan ID as I received for pan scan. And then the next parameter after pan ID is MAC address of my ZigBee tree light. I need to use that MAC address to send ZLL reset. So to change the MAC address of ZLL reset, I need to first copy that one and then open XML file of my combined interface on a notepad. Then I need to change the MAC address here on ZLL reset. Here I paste the MAC address that I copy from here. So here if I found the MAC address of my ZigBee tree light, I copy it and I paste it in ZLL reset, which is here in MAC address of my ZLL reset. I paste it here. Now I can save the file, XML file. Then I don't need that one anymore. Then I can open the layout again, because after saving you need to open it again, your XML file, because it's modified. Now I need to connect to the same COM port. Everything is fine. This is my CI firmware. Now I can go down and issue ZLL scan and reset after each other. But before that, I need to first power cycle my ZigBee tree light, which is a necessary step. Then I need to enable permit joining on my CI firmware, and then send a scan request and ZLL reset immediately after each other. As I said before, my CI firmware should be in a close distance to my ZigBee tree light, 5 centimeters or 10 centimeters. I put it close to my ZigBee tree light. Now I can send a scan request and reset after each other. Let's do it. Okay, my light is reset now, and hopefully it's going to join. Yes, my ZigBee tree light joined to my CI firmware. It was on a different network, but now it's on my CI firmware. When the joining happens, you don't need to keep them very close to each other. They should be very close to each other when you issue ZLL scan and ZLL reset. As I said before, for ZLL commands, they need to be very close to each other. Now I can send different commands. Let's send, for example, toggle command. Here. That one, and then endpoint. You can see the light goes off. I can easily control my light with CI firmware. Thank you for watching, and we will explain other topics in other videos soon.